5시 정각이 되자 조용히 자리에서 일어서는 남자. 그렇게 그는 40여 년 직장 생활의 마지막 퇴근길에 나섭니다.
Well, for my part, I would just like to say, Warren, that as the new guy taking over for you, I hope I can fill your shoes. Because from the looks of the people here and what they think about you, they sure seem awfully big. And Warren, I want you to feel just as welcome to drop by the office to visit anytime you want.
Now, I've known Warren here probably longer than most of you people have been alive. And what I want to say to you out loud, Warren, for all these young hotshots can hear.
워렌의 은퇴를 두고 저마다 감사의 인사를 건네지만 그에게는 그저 공허한 메아리처럼 들릴 뿐이죠.
Take a good look at a very rich man. I love you, buddy.
Hello? Hi, honey. Yeah, we just got in. We just walked in the door. Yeah, he is. Just a minute.
한창 결혼 준비로 바빠 함께하지 못한 딸 진이었는데요.
What? Yeah. Did I get the robe? Yes. That was quite an item. You sure went overboard.
부녀 사이엔 어쩐지 어색한 공기가 흐릅니다.
You and Randall.
알람도 출근도 없지만 어김없이 7시에 시작되는 하루. 남편의 은퇴 후를 계획하며 구입해둔 캠핑카를 이젠 사용할 때가 됐죠.
We're gonna have a lot of good times in here, Warren.
Yeah.
Here's to a whole new chapter.
하지만 아내의 노력만으로 워렌의 텅 빈 시간을 채우기는 역부족이었는데
I'm still sick from the last turkey I won.
Wait, don't go, sweetie.
But this officer dreams about you.
The Toolie. That's my...
The 3-minute hip, thigh, and bun.
But if all you feel is pity, or perhaps even guilt...
Rump roast that's sliced over here, and we'll just put some in. You should use a fork, but I'm just...
Lansbury for child reach, and we need people who want to help.
심드렁한 표정으로 채널을 돌리던 그의 눈에 한 후원 광고가 들어오죠.
For just $22 a month, just 72 cents a day, you can become a child reach sponsor and not only personally touch the life of a needy boy or girl overseas, but also help the child's family and community. Think of it, just $22 a month, and a little girl like this will never feel the agony of dysentery from dirty water. A child like this will be able to go to school to learn and grow.
허기진 마음을 채우려 생각지도 않던 후원을 하게 되는 워렌. 그로부터 며칠 후 후원 안내문과 함께 그가 돕게 될 아이의 정보가 도착합니다.
Dear Indugu, my name is Warren R. Schmidt, and I am your new foster father. say? Personal information. All right. I live in Omaha, Nebraska. I am 66 years old and recently retired as Assistant Vice President and Actuary at Woodman of the World Insurance Company.
그 누구와도 나누지 못했던 말을 워렌은 얼굴 한번 본 적 없는 앤두구에게 거침없이 꺼내놓죠.
When I was a kid, I used to think that maybe I was special, that somehow destiny had tapped me to be a great man. Not like Henry Ford or Walt Disney or somebody like that, but somebody, you know, semi-important. You've got to remember I had a top-notch job at Woodman and a family to support. I couldn't exactly put their security at risk. Helen, that's my wife. She wouldn't have allowed it. But what about my family, you might ask? What about my wife and daughter? Don't they give me all the pride and satisfaction I could ever want? Helen and I have been married 42 years. Lately, every night, I find myself asking the same question. Who is this old woman who lives in my house?
어느새 편지는 워렌의 독백이 되어 그가 느끼는 허무함과 무력감을 고스란히 드러내고
And how she throws our money away on her ridiculous little collections. And tossing out perfectly good food just because the expiration date is passed. And her obsession with trying new restaurants.
그는 헬렌과의 결혼 생활에 따분함을 느낄 뿐 아니라 그녀가 자신을 통제한다 생각하죠.
My promise to lift the seat and wipe the rim and put the seat back down wasn't good enough for her. No. But then there's Jeannie. She's our only. I'll bet she'd like you. She gets a big kick out of different languages and cultures and so forth. She used to get by pretty good in German. She'll always be my little girl. She lives out in Denver, so we don't get to see her much anymore. Oh, sure, we stay in touch by phone every couple of weeks, and she comes out for the holidays sometimes, but not as often as we'd like. She has a position of some responsibility out there with a high-tech computer outfit, so it's very hard for her to break away. Recently, she got engaged, so I suppose we'll be seeing even less of her now. The fellow's name is Randall Herzl. He's got a sales job of some sort. Maybe Jeannie is a little past her prime, but I still think she could have done a heck of a lot better.
How you guys doing?
I mean, this guy's just not up to snuff, if you ask me. I mean, not for my little girl.
그로부터 얼마 지나지 않아 헬렌이 뇌졸중으로 갑작스레 세상을 떠나며 워렌은 하루아침에 혼자가 되어버립니다. 그날 밤 평소 탐탁치 않게 여겨온 예비사위 랜들이 다가와 워렌의 눈치를 살피는데
So, listen, Warren, I know now's definitely not the time to talk about it, but if before we leave you want to take a few minutes, get your mind off all of this craziness, there's something real important I want to talk to you about.
What's that?
It's an investment opportunity. It's really exciting, and I want to get you in on the ground floor with me.
Oh.
And it's not a pyramid scheme. A lot of people think it's a pyramid scheme, but it's not. It's almost guaranteed you can double your money, maybe even triple it in the first year alone. The thing is, Warren, I'm not going to be selling waterbeds forever. I got plans. We haven't had much chance to talk about it, you and I, but I got a pretty good business head on me, and you know I've been going to a lot of seminars lately and listening to a lot of tapes.
아내의 빈자리가 너무도 크게 느껴지는 밤이죠.
I think you should consider postponing it.
Postpone the wedding? We can't do that. It's all set.
I'm just saying you might want to take this opportunity to rethink things. That's all.
이젠 아내 없이 딸과 소통해 보려 하지만 그의 말은 서툴게만 전해지고 부녀 사이는 더욱 어긋나기만 합니다.
I really don't know what you're talking about. I don't think Mom would want us to change it at all.
All right. Okay, have it your way. You know best, you and your mother.
결혼 준비를 위해 진이가 떠나며 다시 혼자가 된 월에는 아내의 유품을 정리하다 충격적인 사실을 알게 되는데 오래전 아내의 외도 사실에 월에는 당장 상대 남성을 찾아갑니다.
Warren, you scared me. What are you doing here? I thought you might want these back.
그는 다름 아닌 자신의 절친한 친구였죠.
It was so long ago. It's 25, 30 years. I mean, oh, Jesus. I never thought she kept these. I can't believe she kept these. Ow! Stop! Stop! Stop kidding me! Let's talk about this. You were my friend. It was all a big mistake. I mean, you went up to Frisco and things started up and we just got out of hand, that's all. I'm sorry!
믿었던 두 사람의 배신에 월에는 진정으로 혼자가 되었음을 느끼고 삶의 의미를 찾기 위해 무작정 캠핑카에 올라 딸의 결혼식이 있을 콜로라도로 떠납니다.
Well, I have a big surprise for you. Guess what?
What?
I'm on the road. I'm on my way out to see you. Right now, I'm just outside Grand Island.
Scott, what are you talking about?
Jeannie, I've been thinking about things and how much you mean to me and how little time you and I have spent together these last few years, and all of a sudden I realized, what the heck am I doing in Omaha when you're out there and I could be with you? You know, we should be together.
Wait, you're coming now?
If I drive straight through, I'll be there in time for supper.
It's such a nice offer, but let's stick to the plan, okay? And you get here a day or two before the wedding, like we said.
I assume you won't object to me sending any more of those checks.
Jesus, Dad, I do not have time for this, okay? You call me when you get home. Okay?
Fine. Bye, Jeannie.
Bye, Dad.
Dear Ndugu, how are you? I'm fine. A week or so ago, I decided to take a little road trip on my way to Jeannie's wedding out in Denver. Jeannie begged me to come out early and help her with the arrangements, but I told her I needed some time to myself. I've decided to visit some places I haven't been to in a long time. So much has happened in my life that I can't seem to remember. Whole sections of my life that are just gone. So you might say I've been trying to clear a few cobwebs from my memory.
가장 먼저 유년 시절에 고향집을 찾아가는 워렌.
Can I help you, sir?
No thanks. I'm just looking around. I used to live here.
Here in the store?
Yep. My childhood home's right on this spot. In fact, bedroom would have been right about here. living room over here and dining. Well, that was a long time ago. Before you were born.
Mommy loves you, Warren. Yes, she does.
An awful lot had changed since my day, but it was still good to be home again. Very good indeed.
이후 그는 자신의 모교로 향합니다.
Hence the company motto, as a woodman clears the way.
워렌은 여러 사람들과의 대화를 통해 자신의 과거를 되짚으며 삶에 큰 흔적을 남기지 못했다는 사실을 깨닫죠.
Next stop, Buffalo Bill Cody's house in North Platte. What a remarkable man. You can read about him in the enclosed pamphlet. I pull the adventurer over whenever I feel like stretching my legs, taking in a local sight, or browsing for antiques. The other day, for example, at an antique store in Cozad, I came across a fine collection of rare Hummels. I guess I never really appreciated how exquisitely crafted they are. And each one comes with its own certificate of authenticity. Helen loved Hummels.
같은 캠핑장에 묵고 있는 존이라는 남자가 워렌의 차에 관심을 보여옵니다.
I hope I'm not disturbing you, but I couldn't help noticing you got a new adventure.
That's right.
35 footer, right?
That's right.
Oh, just, what a beauty, huh? Man, oh man.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Oh, yeah. Jeez. Look at all this room. These pop-outs really make a difference, don't they? Say, you keep a mighty clean galley, mister.
Well, I've only been on the road a week.
You're kidding. This is your maiden voyage?
Yeah.
And you're traveling solo?
That's right.
Well, holy Christ, you gotta come over for dinner. We gotta celebrate. My Vicky's one heck of a cook. I mean, if you're free, of course.
Well, I'll have to check my schedule.
그렇게 워렌은 존 부부와 저녁 시간을 보내는데
Now, this is a couple we met in Kansas when we were in Kansas. Remember I was telling you about the guy with the wooden leg? But we loved them. We spent a whole weekend with them out in Kansas. And this is Roger and Denise and their daughters.
Now Denise is your oldest.
No, she's the middle one. They live out in Delaware.
그들과 함께 웃고 떠들며 워렌은 잠시나마 외로움에서 벗어나죠.
Do you have any pictures of your daughter with you?
No, not on me. I don't.
Nothing in your wallet?
Well, I might have one of George Washington.
Or Abraham Lincoln?
Who?
Oh, hey! Jeez! Looks like we're low on truth serum. If I go get us another six-pack, you guys gonna be okay?
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
남은 두 사람의 대화는 자연스레 진지한 분위기로 흘러가고
I think inside you're a sad man.
Well, it does take quite an adjustment there when you lose a spouse.
Yeah, but it's something more than that. I see something more than grief and loss in you. Something deeper.
Like what?
Well, I just met you, but my guess is anger. Yeah, anger and, I don't know, maybe fear, loneliness.
I am kind
See, there, I knew it.
이제만 만났지만 자신의 마음을 알아주는 그녀에게 워렌은 마음의 문을 활짝 열죠.
I feel like you understand me better than my wife Helen ever did. Even after 42 years of marriage.
Oh, you sad man. You sad, sad man.
그녀와의 대화에서 잠시 위안을 얻는 워렌.
You're sad man.
그런데
Get off me! Are you insane? God, what is wrong with you? I don't know what kind of ideas you got, mister, but you better go right now.
I'm sorry.
No, go!
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
I don't care about sorry. Go!
I didn't mean to.
Go!
그는 결국 다시 혼자가 됩니다. 캠핑장에서의 실수를 계기로 워렌은 미처 몰랐던 아내의 외로움을 비로소 돌아보게 되죠.
I forgive you for Ray. I forgive you. It was a long time ago, and I know I wasn't always the king of kings. I let you down. I'm sorry, Helen. Can you forgive me? And this morning, I awoke from my night in the wilderness completely transformed. I'm like a new man. For the first time in years, I feel clear. I know what I want, I know what I've got to do, and nothing's going to stop me ever again. Meanwhile, along with the usual check, I'm enclosing a little something extra to spend as you please. Yours very truly, Warren Schmidt.
콜로라도에 도착한 워렌은 랜들의 가족이 살고 있는 집을 방문하는데
That's better.
랜들의 어머니 로버타는 워렌이 생각했던 이상적인 사돈과는 거리가 먼 인물이었죠.
When I had my hysterectomy, that boy did not leave my side for 1 minute. Not 1 minute. People used to raise their eyebrows because I breastfed him until he was almost 5, and I say, well, you just look at the results. I raised a sensitive, devoted boy who has turned into a sensitive, devoted man. And he's also quite easy on the eye, if I do say so myself. Don't you agree? Oh, look who's here.
Hey, Dad, how's it hanging?
Fine, fine.
You're finally here. I'm stoked. Hi, Mom.
워렌은 랜들 가족과 함께 시간을 보내며 그들의 삶의 방식이 자신과 너무도 다르단 걸 느낍니다.
Say, Randall, how'd that investment situation work out for you? You never called me.
Don't bring that up.
You mean that pyramid scheme? No, it wasn't.
All I know is I lost $800.
Well, if you'd stuck with it a little longer, you'd have seen results. You bailed out too soon.
Can we change the subject, please?
See, you just didn't find enough quality reps of your own, and you screwed the whole thing up for me, too. You didn't take the time to understand how the power system works.
Jean,
Yeah?
I still want to talk to you.
Oh, yeah, right. Well, can it wait? Because we got a really big day tomorrow.
No, it can't.
그는 결혼을 코앞에 둔 딸에게 다시 생각해볼 것을 권하지만
All of a sudden, you're taking an interest in what I do? You have an opinion about my life now? I am getting married the day after tomorrow, and you are going to come to my wedding. And you are going to sit there and enjoy it and support me, or else you can just turn right around right now and go back to Omaha.
You come right back here. I'm talking to you, young lady.
다음날 물침대 위에서 깨어난 어린은 일어나질 못하고
Good morning, Mr. Sleepyhead. Warren, what is the matter?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just a little stiff.
I don't know. It still seems pretty weird for this to be happening today, of all days.
지니와의 관계는 더욱 악화돼 버리죠.
You know, it's just we've been really stressed out here the last 2 weeks. Well, you were, out on your little trip. We've been kind of just barely holding this thing together. And so now for you to just crap out on us.
I think it's the bed.
No way. That's an Aquares Z9000. It's top of the line. It's definitely not the bed.
I don't know. I think I need something firmer.
결국 분위기는 최악으로 치닫고 맙니다.
I cannot do everything!
I know.
Get off!
모두가 자리를 비운 사이 아픈 워렌을 보살피는 로버타.
Jeannie told us all about your little panic attack last night. And I don't blame you. It's a perfectly natural reaction. In the beginning, I had my own reservations. As the veteran of 2 failed marriages, I have learned a lot about what works and does not work between 2 people. And I can tell you, these kids are in very good shape. They have a very healthy relationship, spiritually, emotionally, and physically.
사돈의 간호 덕에 워렌은 결혼식 전 가까스로 일어날 수 있었죠.
I have these left over from my hysterectomy. They've expired, but I think it's okay.
What is it?
Percodan. I guarantee you within half an hour you'll be on cloud 9.
Longer than there been fishes in the ocean.
수많은 우여곡절 끝에 딸과 함께 버진 로드로 걸어 들어오는 워렌.
Do you, Randall Mead Herzl, take Jean Bordwine Schmidt as your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
And do you, Jean Bordwine Schmidt, take Randall Mead Herzl to be your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
결혼식 후 이어진 피로연에서 워렌은 축사를 위해 어쩔 수 없이 마이크를 잡는데
I didn't get much sleep last night, so forgive me if I'm a little foggy. We're here to mark a crossroads in the lives of 2 people. A crossroads where they come together and now walk along a new road. It's not the same road that they were on before. It's a new road. A road that As many of you know, I lost my wife recently. And Jeannie lost her mother. Ellen and I were married 42 years. She died very suddenly. I know we all wish she could be with us today, and I think it would be appropriate to acknowledge just how pleased she was that Jeannie had found someone to share her life with. A companion. A partner. I recall the day when Jeannie first told us she'd been proposed to. We hadn't yet met this Randall fellow, so we were understandably a little suspicious. Later, she brought him home for Christmas so we could get a look at him. I remember there was a big snowstorm, and Randall here helped me shovel off the front walk. He pitched right in. Yep.
그의 마음 한켠은 아직도 혼란스럽지만 딸이 선택한 삶을 존중하고 응원해 주기로 합니다.
Thank you. To you, Randall, for taking such good care of my daughter, especially recently with our loss. Ever since I arrived here a couple of days ago, I have so enjoyed getting to know Jeannie's new family. Roberta, thank you for your generosity, for opening your home. Everybody else, terrific people. Terrific. Dear Ndugu, you'll be glad to know that Jeannie's wedding came off without a hitch. When I was out in Denver, I tried to do the right thing, tried to convince Jeannie she was making a big mistake, but I failed. Now she's married to that nincompoop, and there's nothing I can do about it. I am weak, and I am a failure. There's just no getting around it.
돌아온 집은 여전히 텅 비어 있고 그의 삶 역시 빈자리를 채우지 못한 듯하죠.
What difference has my life made to anyone? None that I can think of. None at all. Hope things are fine with you. Yours truly, Warren Schmidt.
편지는 앤두구를 돌보고 있는 수녀에게서 온 것이었습니다.
Dear Mr. Warren Schmidt, my name is Sister Nadine Gauthier of the Order of the Sisters of the Sacred Heart. I work in a small village near the town of Mbeya in Tanzania. One of the children I care for is little Ndugu Umbo, the boy you sponsor. Ndugu is a very intelligent boy and very loving. He is an orphan. Recently, he needed medical attention for an infection of the eye, but he's better now. He loves to eat melon and he loves to paint. Ndugu and I want you to know that he receives all of your letters. He hopes that you are happy in your life and healthy. He thinks of you every day and he wants very much your happiness. Ndugu is only 6 years old and cannot read or write, but he has made for you a painting.
가만히 바라본 그림 속 다정히 손을 맞잡고 있는 오렌과 앤두구. 그의 삶은 여전히 불완전하지만 작은 연결이 가져온 의미는 오렌을 위로하기에 충분했죠.